Hi, hello guys, welcome to the channel. This video I will show you how to insert link on Microsoft Word. Actually, it's really easy, very easy to do. Here I already opened my Microsoft Word, and then I already I wrote that how to insert link on Microsoft Word. So for example, I want to make this link word as a link. You just right click, and then you can as follow this link option, or if you want you can press Control and key on your keyboard. Here the Control and K, and then here you can see you can insert link as an address of website. For example, I want to put https google.com, and then click OK. And then if I want to click, you just can please press Control on your keyboard and then click that link. See, I already opened my google.com through the Microsoft Word. And then if you want to make the link to another file on your computer, you can click link and then insert link. You can find file or anything on your computer, and then also you can place in this document and then create document, and so on and so on and so on. Again, that's it. It's very simple tutorial. I hope it's helpful for you. If it's, please subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.